Yeah. So this crypto lord, yeah. So I think I have a lot of people who are travelers, who are international students, and they need eSIM and SIM card for their businesses. And it's also good in for people who do online businesses that they need foreign numbers to activate their platforms and stuff. Yeah, so I recommend this app for you or this website for you that can help you in your eSIM or SIM card with just few clicks. So I will leave their links in the description and the comment section as well. So just click on it and you make good use of it. So if you open the app, this is how it is. So we have eSIM here and we have SIM card here. So I'll go to the SIM card here and I will choose Hong Kong. Like this one, if I want Hong Kong SIM card. Yeah. So I'll open this Hong Kong SIM card and the price is what $41.98. And the good thing is that you can pay with what? With your USDT. You can pay with what? Your USDT. So let's read about the plan first before you buy. So the first one, we consider we have 30 gig, and it comes with what? Free SMS. So that means you get free Hong Kong phone number that can send SMS, and you can use that phone number on your WhatsApp as well. You can use your phone number to create a WhatsApp account as well. And Instagram and Gmail, you can use this visual number to activate all these things. So when I click on the plan, you can see that we have eSIM plan include not only data but also a phone number for receiving free SMS messages. You see that thing. So let's say if you're a traveler or you're a student or you do work overseas, yeah, you need a foreign number or eSIM number or a SIM number. This one is very good for you. So we have packs here. So if I'm going in for the $41.98, yeah. And one thing is that when like it has expiring date, that's 180 days. But when it expires, you can still use your number for 3 months, for 3 solid months. So if I click on the bar here, you'll see that it will load for me here and it will ask you how many SIM numbers do you want. I want one SIM number, so I'll agree with it and I will confirm payment. So I'll confirm payment. So you can see that here's the distance. So we have order number, so you can like copy your order number or something like that, and then click on pay now. So you can see that we have pay now here. So select token. So you select your USDT here. Then the network. You choose BEP20 address. That's what I really love. Yeah. Then after that, you confirm. You confirm it. So when you confirm it, it will take you to here. Then you come and copy this address here. You copy this address here, or you scan this barcode. Like if you open your your exchange and you scan this one, it will pay automatic. Or you copy this BP20 address, then you go to your exchange and you deposit 41.99. After that, you will come here and it will reflect in your account that you have purchased your SIM card. You have purchase your SIM card, and this SIM card you will get free 30 gig. That means you get free 30 gig that you can use it to browse, do everything that you want on this Hong Kong number, and you can also use this Hong Kong number to send messages, normal messages, and you can use the number to also verify your WhatsApp, anything, but you can't use it for calls. You see, yeah. So we have a lot of countries that you need their numbers, yeah, and this one you can use it for your business. So when you go to your WhatsApp, you will see that the number will appear like Hong Kong number. You get Hong Kong number, like it depends on the country that you chose. You get their number and you are good to what you're good to what, to go. Yeah. So when you purchase, it's 180 days, 80 days, but when it expires, you'll still be using your number for 3 months before you can what, renew it. Yeah. So I will leave the link in the description. And this one, you have to what, purchase it with your crypto wallet. Crypto wallet, as how I demonstrated for you to see. And for your first order, you'll be getting 20% discount off when you use the link in the bio to order your number. Yeah, so if you use the link, you'll be getting 20% discount off. And when you also invite people to also purchase like these visual numbers, you can earn up to 50%.